If you want to know how to make your drawings go from this to this in just a couple of days, then make sure to keep watching this video where I draw for Inktober for every single day to improve my art. If you don't know what Inktober is a challenge for all artists around the world, beginner or experienced, where we post either a picture or a video of an ink drawing for every day of Inktober. Now, you can either do it randomly or you can follow the same list I've been following for years. I also have a playlist on my channel where I did Inktober for 2021, 2022 and 2023. So if you're still trying to improve your art like I did, you can also follow lots of tutorials on my channel. Inktober day 23, the Stygimoloch. So I really like this drawing. In my opinion, it's a pretty good drawing. I did include a background again, and I'm very sorry if you keep seeing my phone popping up and out of the screen. The reason for that is I'm recording a shorts at the same time as I'm recording this video, and the reason that I'm recording a short is so that I can get some more publicity, because it seems like shorts get way more views, and I can actually reach a lot more people, and then I can put a link to this video in the shorts. They can click on it and they instantly get brought to this video. But anyways, let's compare this drawing to the one that I did 2023, exactly 1 year ago. So as you can see, there we have it, and you're gonna eventually at the end of the video you're gonna see what this drawing looks like, and then you guys can comment below if you think I've improved. I really want to know your opinions. I'm sorry, I couldn't find the right word. But yeah, I used some pretty vibrant colors and some I would say like some more aggressive tones than what I usually use, except for the trees. I don't really like the trees too much because of how dull they look compared to the rest of the drawing, but that's totally fine. So I used a bluish color for the dinosaur with some orangey yellowy spots, and at first I was kind of scared because it didn't look right. Like right here I was like, wait a second, this doesn't look the way that I want it to look. But then as I start to add more and more shadows to it, and I start to make the shadows go a little darker, it actually starts to look a lot better. And so yeah, there you go. You can see me adding like the shadow right now, and it's only gonna get a little darker, and it looks really cool. Like when I'm looking at it while, you know, editing this video, it looks pretty cool. And just adding like the final couple of highlights everywhere, and here we go. This is like a tiny little montage of high quality close-up shots. And yeah, so let me know what you think is the better drawing, 2023 or 2024.